Hey boys and girls, that's Mr. B. I'm back in the office recording another video for you. So the music in the background is from one of my most favorite TV shows called The Office. And let's shut it off now so we can get started with our math work today. So yesterday we talked about drawing pictures of place value blocks and models to do equations up to 99 or up to 100. And today we're going to continue that, but today we're going to talk about something very special. We're going to make groups of 10 to help us solve some of these equations. So we're going to remember what we did yesterday, and we're actually just going to draw an equation like we did yesterday, and we're going to draw it up here on our little work mat. And it says use blocks to help you. Of course we're going to use blocks to help us. And our equation is 25 plus 8. So I'm going to start by drawing 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, plus 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, I'm good to go. My equation is 25 plus 8. And I'm going to find out how many we have in all. Now, to find out how many we have in all, I see 2 10s, but here's where things get tricky. Today, we're going to learn how to make groups of 10. So right now, let's think to ourselves, there's 5 ones and 8 ones. And if I add 5 ones and 8 ones together, I get 13 ones. So there's actually another 10 that I can make here. So what I'm going to simply do is count all these different dots and see if I can make myself another 10 frame. So I know there's 8 over here, so I'm going to say 8. Let me get a different color actually here so it's not confusing. So we have 8 over here. So 8 plus 2 more makes it 10. So I'm going to go ahead and circle 1, 2, and then all these 8 over here. And now there's 10 inside there. And if you don't believe me, you can stop the video right now and count them. There are 10 more inside of there. So now if I look at my equation, 25 plus 8, we have 1 10, 2 10s, and now there's a third 10 in this little big blob of whatever we just made, another 10. So now we have 3 10s. Remember, 1 10, 2 10, 3 10s. And then how many ones are left over? Well, I see 1, 2, 3 ones left over right there. So my answer is 33, and that's what we're going to do today. This is going to help us get used to doing some second grade equations when we start regrouping our 10s and 1s. So let's stop there and go to the next page. And this is the page that you should have at home from Class Dojo. Hopefully you downloaded it and at least look at it or watch it while Mr. B teaches your video right now. So pause it. I'll see you on the next page. And we're back. So there's some heavy metal music in the background so we can rock this page out really fast. Mr. B actually doesn't really like this kind of music. You know who does? Mr. Scoomis. He loves this kind of music. So, Mr. Scoomis, turn your music down or off. There we go. That's better for off. And let's rock this page out, but let's do it with a little bit more focus and quiet time. All right, I'm going to skip number 1 since it's already done for us. I will walk you through what they did on that page, but I'm not going to really focus too much on that one. They drew their equation, 24 plus 6. So 24 over here, and then there's 6 more over here, and that's all they did is what we did on the same page. They said 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now they circled their 10 because now they have 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s in all. And how many are left over? Well, there's no more 1s left over, so 0 1s. Did they make another 10? Yes, they did. So let's start by doing 65 plus 2 for number 2. That's kind of a lot to draw, so I'm going to try my best to keep it neat. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 2. 1, 2. First question, let's figure this out. Are there enough 1s there to make another 10? Well, I'm going to get a new color so I don't confuse anybody. Let's go with a greenish color for the greenhouse. Haruma elephants representing. Yeah, Zarya, keep watching. And let's see what we got here. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's only 7 there. So can we make another 10 frame? No, we cannot. So let's just do our simple math equation. It says 1 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10s. Plus we just counted 7 1s. So there must be 67 in all. And as you can tell, we're starting to do some of these second grade equations. Pause the video, stop the video if you need to, review that if you'd like, or just get ready on the next page because that's where I'll see you guys in 1 second. All right, I'm back. This is Boden, Mr. Boden. here to teach our math. There's some Bond music in the background. And we're going to skip number 3 to see if, we're going to skip number 4 to see if you can do that by yourself, but we're going to do number 3 right now. James Bond, go away. It says 17 plus 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, plus 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My equation says 17 plus 7. Can we make a 10? Yes or no? Please pause the video, answer the question, see if you can, see what you got. Can we make a 10? So let's find out right now. I'm going to select a different color. And there's 7 over here. So that means I have to circle 8, 9, and 10 more. And now I have another 10. So how many 10s do you see? Good. You should have said 1 10, 2 10s. So there's 2 10s. And how many ones are left over that aren't inside of any 10s? You should say 1, 2, 3, 4. Did we make another 10? Did we circle a 10 frame? Yes, we did. I'm going to stop the video for a second to see if you can do number 4, and I will catch up with you. Not on the next page. I'm going to go to the bottom of this page because it gets a little bit tricky. So stick with me on this page after you do number 4. All right, school is back in session. That's the school bell. Let's get back to it. We're going to do number 5 together, and then you can do number 6 all by yourself. And I'm going to get my pen ready. And actually, what I would recommend doing is try finding something maybe you can draw on or write with, because it says add. Use place value blocks and your work mat. Can you make a 10? Let's find out. Well, our equation says show 42. So I don't have a work mat on here. So what I'm going to do is get one ready. And our equation says show 42. So our equation says show 42. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show 42 right here. So I'm going to show 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. There goes 42. And if I look back to my other page, what does it say? It says add 8 more. All right, I think I can do that. Add 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Getting a little bit sloppy there. Sorry about that. Now, let's go back to our directions and see what it says. Can you make a 10? Let's find out. Well, I know there's 8 over here, 9, 10. So I'm going to circle all of these 10s because guess what? I can make another 10. What do the directions say? Can you make a 10? Yeah, hello. Then it says find the sum. Well, it said show 42 plus add 8 more. And the sum will be the answer of the addition equation. Let's find out how many we have altogether. How many 10s do you see? You should see, I'll change the color so it doesn't confuse you. You should see 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s. Oh, 5 10s. Sweet. And there's no 1s left over. So our answer must be 5 10s, 0 1s for the number 50. You go ahead and try number 6 on your own work mat all by yourself. We'll call this some independent practice. If you need help, call me, FaceTime me, message me. I will be here for you. I promise, I promise, I promise. Until then, I'll see you for our next equation. The bell's about to ring, so let's get out of here. Oh, class is over for now. I will see you down at the next question. And we're back. So let's get ready to rock and roll. Let's do number 7 together. You can try doing number 8 all by yourself. So for number 7, it says write the missing numbers and use place value blocks if you need to. Well, if they're going to tell me that I can use them, I'm going to use them. So it says 23, 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, plus, I don't know how many, equals 32 in all. So no matter what we have here, we need to have 32. So right now we only have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. So I'm going to count all the way up to 32. So after 23 is 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Ding, 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 ding. So we have 23 over here, plus how many did we just draw? How many place value blocks did we draw? How many 1s did we draw over there? You should have said 9. There are 9 place value blocks, the ones that we drew to make 32 in all. So our equation should read 23 plus 9 equals 32. 2. You try number 8 all by yourself, and I'll see you on our last page. All right, we're back, and this is our final page. We have question 9, 10, 11, and 12. And let's see, which question should we do? Drum roll, please. Let's do question number 10. Question number 10. I'm going to zoom in on it a little bit just so we can focus on number 10 and not the other ones. All right, there goes number 10. And this story is about a girl named Lisa. And it says, Lisa knits 15 scarves. I'm going to remember that. She knitted 15 scarves. Then she knits 8 more. I'm going to remember that number as well. How many scarves does Lisa knit in all? So we need to find out how many we have in all. And to do that, we're going to draw blocks to show your work. That's all we're going to do. So I'm going to get a real neat color for this one. And we have 15 scarves that she knitted at first. And then she knits 8 more. Let's find out how many she knitted in all. Well, just what we've been doing this whole chapter is drawing pretty pictures of place value blocks. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Nice drawing. Keep it up. I like it. I like it. I love it. Good job, Kayana. Stick with me. Plus 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, Duncan. 6, 7, 8. And we're back. Come on, way to be. Here we go. It says 15 over there plus 8 more. Can we make another 10? Who thinks they know it? Come on. Can we make another 10? Come on. We got this. Can we? Let's see. Can we make another 10? Well, let's try counting. I'm going to get another color so nobody's confused. Can we make a 10? Well, I know there's 8 over here. 9, 10. We got another one. So your equation should read 15 plus 8 equals what? Well, I see 1 10, 2 10s, and how many ones were left over that we did not put in any 10s? There should be 1, 2, 3. 15 plus 8 equals 23. So that means Lisa, she knits 23 scarves. Good luck on the rest of your work. I will see you soon. Enjoy the wonderful day and the sun outside if you're able to get out there, although it's supposed to rain tomorrow. So I don't know. We'll see. I miss you like crazy, and let me know if you need any help, and I'm here for you. Heart, I'm drawing it. I miss you guys. Ugh, it's not a very good heart.